I mean, there's big question. Like one philosophical idea is determinism. Determinism postulates that the universe is acausal. Action, events, and decisions are governed by cause and effect. They could call it antecedent,
Objectively, it's hard to give an objective analysis of what reality is or what it is we experience in, because everyone have quite a big intersubjectivity phenomenology. In fact,
an accent. West Indian accent.
That's where mutually exclusive disciplines overlap, right?
So these are the areas I find intriguing because these things are self-referential and it's in pitch.
What is a pitch? What is octave? And so as a response.
In music, you have also
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.